Hello, and welcome to another training video by the IT Systems training team. Today's short video is about the Yorkshire and Humber care record. As part of our digital strategy to further integrate our clinical systems across the region to empower healthcare professionals to provide more informed, connected care, we are delighted to announce the launch of the YHCR integrated into Meditech, SystmOne and Sepia. From within Sepia, you can now access a holistic view of your patient's demographics, medical history, treatments, and upcoming appointments from organisations who are contributing data to the YHCR. At this time, organisations in South Yorkshire that are providing information include Yorkshire Ambulance Service, Doncaster and Bassetlaw Teaching Hospitals, and Sheffield Children's Hospital. Other organisations across the region, such as Leeds Teaching Hospitals and Mid Yorkshire Hospitals, are also providing information. First, I will show you how to access it from Meditech. From within the patient's record on the summary screen, select the External Data button, then select Sepia. In the search results, select the patient's name to open their record. Then select the YHCR tab. You can also open up a patient's Sepia record from within SystmOne. When you are in a patient's record, on the top banner, select the Sepia PT button. In the search results, select the patient's name to open their record. Then select the YHCR tab. Lastly, you can open the Sepia application by double-clicking on the Sepia desktop icon. From the Sepia homepage, navigate to the patient search box. You can search using any of the accepted formats. Select the magnifying glass. In the search results, click on the patient's name to open the patient's record. You'll be taken to the Sepia patient summary. To access the YHCR, select the YHCR tab. Within the YHCR tab, you can see which, if any, organisations are sharing information for the patient. Now I'll explain what you can find in each tab. On the Patient tab, you'll be able to see information on the patient's demographics, their contact details, and GP practice. Documents, you'll see any documents that have been shared to the YHCR. You can select a document to open and view it in the browser. Allergies will show any allergies that have been recorded by any of the YHCR organisations. Encounters. These are interactions between a patient and a healthcare professional. This includes appointments, inpatient care, and emergency care. In appointments, we can view any appointments that have been booked, attended, or any DNAs. You can view the date of the appointment, what it was for, and who the provider was. In conditions, we can view any of the conditions that have been recorded by any of the YHCR organisations. And procedures show any of the procedures that the patient has undergone. Documents, encounters, and appointments will all be organised by the organisation first and then newest to oldest. If the patient's YHCR is empty, this could be due to the patient not accessing any care from the organisations that are part of the YHCR. It could also be because the patient has opted out of sharing their data. There may be tabs that are empty. This could be due to there being no relevant data to populate that particular tab. And that's it. If you need any further support, contact the IT Systems training team. Details on screen now. Thank you.